across to breaking news coming in from Patna, where a massive fire has broken out. This at a hotel that was near Golambar in the Kotwali police station area. We learned that unfortunately 6 people have lost their lives in this fire. 20 others were seriously injured. The fire that broke out in that hotel in Patna. Patna SSP Rajiv Mishra has also spoken on the matter. While we put out those pictures, we'll also play that reaction from the Patna SSP shortly. But a massive fire that broke out. We are yet to know that what caused the fire and how many fire tenders have been rushed to the spot. Those are the pictures on your screens of a massive fire that broke out at Pal Hotel near Golambar in utter chaos that broke out at the scene where this massive fire was reported, and you see how it spread in no time. Well, people who were rushing to save their lives, and unfortunately 6 have been reported dead so far, 20 others were grievously injured. Also, let's listen in to what the Patna SSP had to say on this matter.
लापरवाही देखिए, हम लोग लगातार फायर ऑडिट्स कर रहे हैं और स्पेशली हमारा फोकस रहता है ऐसे कंजेस्टेड एरियाज में। ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है पटना में, इतने कंजेस्टेड एरियाज में जहां पर ये लोग होटल्स चलाते हैं। इन लोगों को फायर ऑडिट करके हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया हुआ है इन लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो फॉलो नहीं होता है, जिसकी वजह से ये घटनाएं घटती है। देखिए, हम लगातार पब्लिक अवेयरनेस कर रहे हैं ऐसी घटनाएं ना हो करके। हम लोग लगातार जितने यहाँ के मोहल्ले के कमिटीज़ है सबको हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं। हमारे पटना के कमांडेंट लगातार यहाँ पर लोगों में अवेयरनेस पैदा कर रहे हैं कि ऐसी घटनाएं ना घटे। और सबसे बड़ी बात, हमने सभी जितना फायर ऑडिट्स हो सकता है, खास करके ऐसे कंजेस्टेड एरियाज में हम लोग कॉन्सेंट्रेट कर रहे हैं। तो अभी जो हम लोग फायर ऑडिट में इंस्ट्रक्शंस देते हैं उसको इन लोगों को अक्षरशः अनुपालन करना चाहिए।
All right, so that's the reaction that's coming from the DG of the fire department, where the fire department has confirmed that multiple audits have been conducted, and the particular challenge that this area faces of being extremely congested, for the very reason that when these kind of hotels function out of such areas, the fire department has put out a list of instructions that they need to follow. We are yet to know what exactly caused that fire, and a report that will also be filed. But for now, the focus is obviously to save as many lives as possible. As the fire rages on, 6 people who've unfortunately died in this fire. 20 others were grievously injured as the fire tenders that rushed to the spot are still trying to douse off that fire. I believe Prakash is with us on the broadcast to give us more details on what may have caused that fire. What's the status right now as the fire tenders are trying to douse off that fire? How many who could still be trapped inside that building? Prakash, what more can you tell us?
Well, this fire took place at Pal Hotel, which is one of the oldest hotels in Patna since for the past 50 years or so. And what we get to know from the DG Fire, Sobha Otkar, she said that the fire incident took place because of the blast. And these kind of incidences will be investigated upon, and as a result of which, because of the blast of cylinder, the fire spread over certain in a specific area.
Prakash, that audio line is not very clear. We'll try and reconnect with you to get more details on what the current status is. But those are the pictures that are coming in from Patna of a massive fire that broke out. This at one of the oldest hotels in Patna. This is in Golambar, where you see how the entire hotel that is on fire. Fire tenders that were rushed to the spot as they're trying to douse off that fire. 6 people who've lost their lives in this tragedy. And 20 others who are injured. Whether this is out of sheer negligence is something we will know in due course of time. But the focus right now is to save as many lives as possible.